I just want to share a quick success story with you guys of one of my clients. So, the reason why I love to share success stories is because it reminds us of what is possible and how powerful we are. That's right. And so, this client basically just wanted to give up and just told me that don't even care about, the new year and all the New Year's resolutions and stuff like that. And so, in my mind, I'm thinking that's exactly why I'm here because I am here to believe in you, especially if you don't believe in yourself, because my work is of high service. You know what I mean? So, my success is your success, and your success is my success. So, we're doing this together. And so, I told the client, I said, listen here, so tell me, what do you actually want? What do you really, really want? He told me, and I asked him, okay, so what do you think is actually stopping you from getting that goal right now? And then, of course, he shared everything with me, all the stories, all that. And then we immediately release. So, this is one thing that you have to understand. If I ask you, what is stopping you right now from achieving your goals? Whatever you tell me, that is simply just a limiting belief. And limiting beliefs are really just these um, assumptions and ideas in our heads that actually stops us from getting what we want. But the good thing is you can release it, you can reframe it, and you can choose an empowering belief instead. So client shared with me, okay, all the limiting beliefs, we then released it, reframed it, and chose empowering believes that will actually now start serving him instead of controlling him, right? So the moment you start subscribing to a belief that is going to end up serving you, you're going to feel so much confident and you're also going to be motivated to go along. So that's exactly what we did. And I told him that, okay, you're always thinking, you're always telling yourself a story. Now, this is what you're going to do now. You're now going to think in your favor. In other words, when you think, you're going to tell yourself that you already have your desires, and you're also going to remind, yourself that you already have your desires. Gave him homework, to do in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, just to simply remind himself that he already has, his desires. And I would say 2 weeks, started seeing amazing shifts happening. His 3D started to arrange accordingly. Good things started happening, not only in the career, good results in his career, but in his family as well. And most importantly, he started feeling more calm and at peace. So for me, that is priceless. Peace of mind and just to feel calm, that is priceless. That is priceless. I mean, money can't buy that. You know what I mean? So the reason why I'm sharing this with you is you probably thinking, oh, you know what? It's a new year. Maybe I'm just going to continue doing what I did last year. I'm just going to continue doom scrolling. And I don't think it's possible for me. I feel like giving up as well. I'm here to tell you, man, no, I believe in you. Even if you don't believe in yourself as yet, but I actually believe in you. And I want you to keep on going. I want you to press pause on this video and really just ask yourself, what do you want? What do you really, really want? Write it down. And then afterwards, I want you to ask yourself, what is stopping me from achieving this goal right now? So that's obviously a limiting belief. I want you to release that limiting belief and then reframe it and ask yourself, what empowering belief do you choose instead? In other words, an empowering belief is usually just the opposite of what you've shared. What your the reason is why you cannot have, your desires. So you basically just flip it. You flip that belief and you start reminding yourself that this is your new story. And then number 3, you accept that you now have your desires. So if that is maybe like 10K, 100K, $1 million, you're basically going to accept that you already have this desire. So the moment you accept, just one second, the moment you accept that you have your desire right now, you immediately collapse that potential wave. So according to quantum physics, there is no time. There is no process. There is only now. So the moment you tell yourself, I already have my desires, it's a done deal, boom, it's done. You now get to celebrate. And your external reality immediately starts to rearrange itself. Your job is not to worry about the how. Your job is just to celebrate the now. Just be grateful for what's around you. Look around you. Be grateful for that. And most importantly, be grateful for the fact that you already have your desires. Let me tell you something. When you stick to this simple formula, you will start seeing shifts happening in the first week. You'll start to feel, okay, you will definitely feel more confident. But if you want to obviously take it to the next level, then you need to also incorporate nervous system regulation. Okay. Now, there are tons of nervous system regulation practices online. So I'm a certified heart math coach. So I use heart math techniques, which is based by science. And that's what I teach my clients. That's what I, do myself. And the only reason why I love that is because it's tried and tested and, it's backed by science. But so I would advise for you to do nervous system regulation as well. Why? Is because if you are struggling to manifest your desires, your nervous system is probably in dysregulation. So which means you are feeling unsafe in your body to receive those desires. Okay. So when you actually regulate your nervous system, you're going to start feeling safe in your body. So it's going to become much more easier for you to accept the fact that you are the person who has your desires. So now let's quickly recap. Number one, I just want to remind you that you are the operant power. You are the creator of your reality. So it does not make sense for you to want to give up because you are the creator. Why will the creator want to give up? You can literally have anything you want. And I don't mean that lightly. You can have anything you want. All you need to do right now is just to accept that you already have it. Because you're always accepting stuff throughout the day. Why don't you just accept that you already have it? Okay, so do not give up. I believe in you. And number two, you want to just become clear. What do you really want? Number three, what's stopping you? That's just a limiting belief. Now flip that belief. Number four, just remain faithful to the fact that you already have your desires, irrespective of what's happening in your reality. Number five, regulate your nervous system. There are tons of techniques, online. Make sure you do that, every single day. Okay. So now, as I mentioned, when you do this every single day, you will start to see and feel the shifts in the first week already because you're always doing stuff, but this is going to be more deliberate. It's going to be more conscious. Okay. So now, if you need help and you say, you know what? Okay, I don't want to do this on my own. I need help. So what I want you to do is, but this is only for entrepreneurs, right? I want you to go to the link below and book a free wealth and nervous system activation call. During this call, we're going to discuss, your business, clarity, what's stopping you. And I'm also going to share with you how to regulate your nervous system. Not only that, we are going to do it on the call. You're going to experience an activation for your nervous system and for money as well. Having said that, I believe in you. Even if you don't believe in yourself, you got this. And let me tell you, 2026 is your year. 2026 is the best year ever for you. I am speaking that into existence. It is done.